Hey, everybody, don't do this shit. I'm just saying. I done showed my whole ass to this man, and I'm real sorry. Angela was having a blast. Angela was talking about, go faster, go faster. I'm like, Nikki, get out, get out. I wasn't trying to. I really wasn't.
I mean, I'm looking over at him, and I want to be jealous, but I'm just like, hey, what can I say? I don't even know what I'm supposed to say. Oh, man. Oh, wait, he said get on in. Oh my God. You all right, Angela? It's like, I ain't getting in no water. Look at her. She making sure she got her hands on her. She like, you need to get out. You get out last. You do not get out with her. What? Oh, wow. Look, we got a crab. You ought to make her all up in there. Oh, my goodness. Mr. Crab. What's going on, Mr. Crab? You gone? What? Oh, man. Huh. Well, we'll say this. If we got to sit in the same seats again, we know he would. No. Nice meeting you. Take care. Oh, man. But I feel like, I'm sorry.
That was the highlight of the trip right there.
I feel cheated though, cause he got a better show than his wife did. She had to look at my backside, so he got a much better show. Oh my goodness.
I wish we could have got it on film though.
Yeah.
She gave me the camera. I was holding her sunglasses and holding
Oh my goodness. Oh shoot, I left my shoes.